something very exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're anticipating that it's going to be released very soon. So can you give us a little bit of a sneak peek?
Yeah, well, you know, that's sometimes a danger when we do factory tours, that the visitors see something what they maybe shouldn't see. But in this respect, I would say that we are very close to release, and it's only a few days, so I can talk about it and you can release it directly. It's a new special edition. You are getting used to it from SATA that we have something in autumn, but we are packing it now with something different. So I think it's worthwhile to have a look. It's in here.
All right.
Should we open it?
Yes.
Right.
Let's open it.
No jingle bells here, please. It's for too early for Christmas. It's our new special edition, and what we are calling it the SATA Universe. It's a QR code. It's a big QR code, right? I mean, it's a lot of smaller ones.
Yes.
Why we do this? First of all, yeah, it's something totally different, and we are a little bit inspired, or I think the basic idea came a little bit about all the prototype cars which are around here in, especially in Stuttgart, in the area, right? I mean, this we thought that we do something like this, not as a prototype because the gun is known, but what is behind and what is new and exciting is the SATA Universe. It's not only called Universe, it's a SATA Universe. The SATA Universe is an exclusive club for people owning the gun. So only when you own the gun, you will be part of the SATA Universe. What does it bring? It brings a community on one hand, worldwide, because the gun is sold worldwide, it's a global gun. And we will have exclusive content. Let's say backgrounds for iPhones, for other phones. We want to raffle something. We definitely will do some raffles out. But the important part is we want to give something back to the painters, right? And this is really this those raffles and some ideas and other stuff what others will not get. And yeah, it's a building, right? It's a first step for us, but we really want to see that we are finding people together as a community and build this universe with our painters, right? Together.
Very important because people are collecting these special editions, and it means a lot to a painter. So what a wonderful addition.
It's great, and it gives us the possibility and the potential to be in more direct contact. You were asking before about feedback from customers. Now it's getting more easy. So from my side, I would say that we want to keep it a little bit longer than normal. Yeah, normally we try to sell them off fast, 2 months, and that's it, because it has to be limited. It is still limited, but I want to see that even people just learning about it after a month or something are being able to buy this, because when they don't get the gun, they're not part of the universe. I think this is big. It's big in the North American market, and this is how we want to drive it. And we want to use this vehicle to transport it and to bring the people together. But we have to see as well how this is going step by step, right? But we want to definitely, how we say in German, fill it with a life and not only talk about it. The guns will be available 25th of September.
It's not very far.
It's not very far. We have to work with our distribution partners to get them on stock, to hold them. That's the important part. And then we look forward. I mean, I can tell you my team will have them on hand.
Yes.
So whenever you see a SATA guy, a business development specialist out in the field in these territories, they will have them on hand next week. And live, they're great.
Yes.
And you can buy them from them via distribution, not direct sale. But they will make sure they find the right distribution partner who can sell it to them.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I look forward to it.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.